In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Steam Remote Play together with any game. This feature lets you host a local multiplayer or shared screen game on your computer and stream it to your friends so they can join as if they were sitting right next to you. It's perfect for couch co-op titles, party games, or any game that lets multiple players share the same screen. First, let's make sure Remote Play is turned on. Open Steam, go to the Settings menu, and select Remote Play. Check the box that says Enable Remote Play. That's the switch that allows streaming to your friends. If this is your first time using it, you might see a security prompt. Go ahead and allow Steam through so connections work smoothly. While you are here, a quick tip: a wired connection or strong Wi-Fi will reduce lag, and closing bandwidth-heavy apps can improve quality for everyone. Next, launch the game you want to play. Make sure it supports local multiplayer or has a mode that lets multiple players share one screen. Load into the main menu or the area where you'd normally add a second player. You'll stay in the host role on your machine, and your friends will connect to your session over the internet. Now it's time to invite your friends. Press Shift+Tab to open the Steam overlay. Open your friends list. Find the friend you want to invite. Right-click their name and select Remote Play Together. They'll receive an invite pop-up. Once they accept, they'll instantly join your session and see your game stream. If the connection seems choppy, don't worry, this often settles after a few seconds and you can always re-invite if needed. You can repeat the invite for additional friends the same way. Once a friend joins, a small pop-up will appear that lets you manage their input. From there, you can enable or disable their keyboard, mouse, or controller access. This is great for keeping things organized. Grant a controller to a friend in a platformer or restrict keyboard access, so no one accidentally triggers hotkeys. You can adjust these toggles at any time during the session, and many games will instantly recognize the new inputs. If someone's controller isn't detected, have them press a button to wake it up, or briefly toggle controller access off and on in the pop-up. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.